All right, we're at halftime here with UC Irvine taking on CSU Bakersfield. And while that team is in the huddle right now, we're joined by the team at UC Irvine Health, led by Dr. Afsar, who is here with us, the COO at UC Irvine Health. All right, I got a lot of questions about the coronavirus and what's going on. I watched the news. It seems like things are trending in the right direction as far as hospitalizations and whatnot. Do you feel like at this point we might be past the worst of coronavirus?
Thank you so much, Trent, and good evening, everybody. I am thrilled to say that we are past the peak of our surge that we experienced in January. We are seeing both at UCI Health and across the county that the numbers of COVID patients who are being hospitalized is decreasing. Having said that, with the new variants that are coming out, there are predictions that in March we are going to have another surge. And the degree of that surge really depends on everything that we all do. It depends on masking, social distancing, and getting vaccinated when possible.
I watch the news. Everybody's watching the news, trying to see what's going on with this vaccine. Because I know that that's a big part of this as well. And there's a lot of negative stories out there, but at least it's been my understanding things have actually gone pretty well at UC Irvine. Has that been what you've experienced so far?
Yeah, Trent, I'm really honored and privileged to be a part of the UCI family where we've been able to have an incredibly successful launch to our COVID-19 vaccine program. It is led by our UCI Health team as well as the UCI campus team. And in partnership together, we have been able to vaccinate over 10,000 patients to date. We are very lucky to have this amazing team right here around me from UCI Health that's been leading that effort, starting off with Erwin Altamira, Lauren Silva, and Nathan Tabita. And I'm going to turn it over to them to tell you a little bit about the vaccination program.
So a lot of planning and meticulous detail was looked through to ensure that it's a good patient experience. But what we've always said is that none of that can be accomplished without the support from all the volunteers and the staff that have supported it day to day. And this is a combination of the UCI campus, UCI Health Ambulatory Medical Center team as well, School of Nursing and the School of Pharmacy, all banded together to make sure we have 50 to 60 people there to support all the patients and ensure that they're safe, that they're escorted through the experience very well, and they have a good experience all the way through, and they tell all their friends about it as well. So.
Yeah, it's been an amazing partnership with the campus and with everyone coming together at the Brent Event Center to vaccinate our UCI Health patients. It's been a very long last 11 months during this pandemic. So we're very happy to see a light at the end of the tunnel with this vaccine to be able to put this behind us. So our goal is to vaccinate as many of our patients as possible, and we'll continue to do so as vaccine becomes more available.
So we invite you guys all to come out and get vaccinated.
All right. So as soon as I can, I promise I will be there for that for sure. I'm also hearing some other exciting news going on with UC Irvine Health, and that might be in regards to a second campus. What can you tell us about this?
Yeah, Trent, I'm so excited to share with everyone the news of approval for our Irvine Newport campus that's going to be right there on the UCI campus. This is going to be a full-service hospital and a comprehensive ambulatory care center, as well as a center for advanced care. On the ambulatory side, we are going to have a cancer center, along with multiple specialties between the two ambulatory clinics. And on the hospital, it's a full-service hospital with a focus in neurology, neurosurgery, orthopedics, gastrointestinal, and oncology care. So we're very excited to start seeing patients on that campus in late 22, and then with the hospital opening just a couple of years after that.
Very, very exciting. Congratulations on all of that. And thank you all for joining us here this afternoon. All right, when we come back, start of the second half between UC Irvine and CSU Bakersfield here on ESPN and the UC Irvine Basketball Network.